Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Tech Talk. My name is Lalu Iman and today we are going exploring Swift, a modern versatile programming language developed by Apple. Let's understand what Swift is, why it's important and what makes it unique. Okay. First, let's talk about Swift origins. Swift is a general-purpose compiled programming language created by Apple itself and first introduced in 2014 at the Worldwide Developer Conference, or you can call it WWDC. It was designed to be a more modern and developer-friendly alternative to Objective-C, which has been the primary language for developing iOS and macOS applications for decades. Swift's goal is to offer a safe and fast and expressive way to write code while integrating seamlessly with Apple's broader ecosystem. So, whether you're building an iOS app, a macOS app application, or even a back-end service, Swift could be your language of choice. Okay, now what's Swift used for? Swift primarily used for developing applications on Apple platforms such as iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. But Swift's open source nature means it can also be used on other platforms like Linux. This flexibility has expanded Swift's reach, making it popular choice of developer around the world. Okay, now let's dive into some key features that set Swift apart. Okay, number one, readability and simplicity. Swift syntax is designed to be clear and concise and expressive. It borrows elements from other modern languages like Python, reducing the boilerplate code that developers often face. This makes Swift easier to learn for beginners while allowing experienced developers to write clean and maintainable code. Okay, next, the second is safety and error handling. Swift has a strong emphasis on safety. It employs a strict type system that helps prevent common errors like null pointer, dereference, and buffer overflow. Additionally, Swift optional features allow developers to handle nil values explicitly, reducing the risk of runtime crash. It built in error handling mechanism like do try catch, make it easier to manage exception and recover gracefully from errors. Okay, the third is performance and efficiency. Swift is a compiled language, which means it gets converted into machine language before execution, ensuring fast and efficient performance. Swift underlying architecture is optimized for speed, making it suitable for high-performance applications like mobile games and data-intensive software. Number 4. Interoperability with Objective-C. Transitioning from Objective-C to Swift is smooth thanks to Swift interoperability. You can call Objective-C code from Swift and vice versa, allowing developers to update their existing code base incrementally. This is especially valuable for companies with large legacy codebase in Objective-C. Okay, the last is open source community. Swift open source nature has fostered a thriving community of developers. Contribution from this community have led to the development of new tools, frameworks, and resources. Swift open source status also means it has broader platform support, enabling developers to use Swift beyond Apple ecosystem. In addition to this feature, let's talk about Swift ecosystem. Swift has a comprehensive set of tools and frameworks to support development. Okay, number 1, Swift Package Manager is a tool for managing dependency in Swift projects. It simplifies the process of integrating third-party library and sharing code across different projects. Second is Swift UI. Swift UI is a framework for building user interface in Swift. It uses declarative syntax, allowing developers to create complex UI with less code. This framework has become increasingly popular for building cross-platform apps within the Apple ecosystem. The third is Xcode. It's Apple Integrated Development Environment, or you can call it IDE. For Swift and other languages, it offers powerful debugging tools, code auto-completion, and a robust set of features to streamline the development process. To wrap up, Swift is a versatile, powerful programming language designed to be safe, fast, and easy to use. Its flexibility allows developers to create a wide range of applications, from mobile games to back-end service, while its open source community contributes to continuous growth and improvement. If you're interested in iOS or macOS development, Swift is a fantastic language to explore. Thank you for joining me today. If you're ready to dive deeper into Swift, be sure to check out Apple Developers Resource, online courses, and vibrant Swift community. Happy coding! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.